Clear swimming, guys. 2 or 3. Close to the ready buddy. Just keep going, guys. Close to your ready buddy, please. Ready buddy's close and ready. Right hand side, guys. 2 or 3. Close to your ready buddy.
Watch your step.
Ready buddy, close and ready. All the way to the left, guys. Keep the left hand open.
Watch your step.
2 or 3. Close to the ready buddy. All the way to the left, guys.
Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go! Eyes open for all the way! Let's go explore, let's go explore the big blue world! I'm sure we'll see it any minute.
Yes, have you seen it?
See who? Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help you now. Where? Good.
Jellyfish.
All right, Mr. Swordman.
Stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloony.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
all right, Mr. Swordman.
You're not helping.
Oh yeah, too fast for you.
Stop fooling around. Dory, do something.
Hey, steady dog.
I wonder if clownfish taste funny. Nemo! Why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what I'd give for a little bite. Little clownfish, where are you? Swim over and say good day to your old
Sure, sure.
Welcome to the EAC.
This is awesome. Sure, Nemo. It's
Get about her, kid.
Hey, check out what I can do.
Hey! Rockets, offspring! Awesome!
Righteous, Nemo, give me some fish. Nugget, dude.
Okay, little dudes! Get ready to rock!
It's Nemo. Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo.
Oh, there you are, Nemo!
Yay!
Pikachu, here's what you do. Stay in your seats while the Crush Man sees what he can do to get you moving again. In the big old blue.
I'm bouncing off.
It's Nemo.
Worlds I've never seen before.
Dudes, it's the Crush Man with some totally awesome news. Stay in your seats because you're about to start riding it again, dudes. Rock on.
A big blue world, and all of them are out there for me.
Let's run a freedom.
The big blue world.
Help! Find a happy place, find a happy place, find a happy place.
Next up, South. Don't be shy, explorers. It's time to come out of your shell. Bye-bye now. So long, explorers. Oh, the ocean is vast. May we learn more. Seek out knowledge, that's why we act.
All the way to your right. Wait for the door to open. To your right. And all the way to your right.